You
the
think
chair.
it's under
honey.
there? Oh, look, over there.
Look under the chair.
Hey.
Two balls. Oh. Yeah, two balls. Where are they? Where are they? Where did they go?
Where's the other one?
Where did it go? Go looking for it. Where did it go? Keep looking. Keep looking. Oh.
That's exactly where it is,
Micah.
Micah.